Hello everyone, my name is Wei from the Multimedia team, and today we're taking a comprehensive look at ZenLedger, your ultimate tool for simplifying cryptocurrency tax filing. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the crypto world, ZenLedger offers an intuitive solution to manage your taxes seamlessly. Let's explore how it transforms the daunting task of tax reporting into a streamlined process. Managing taxes for cryptocurrency can be overwhelming, as you may know, given the complexity of transactions across various platforms. Well, ZenLedger automates this process by connecting directly to every exchange, wallet, and blockchain protocol through advanced APIs and CSV file imports. It automatically imports all your transactions so you don't have to manually track each trade. This is very helpful. Let's walk through the dashboard to see how data is collected and organized. All right, so we have successfully registered and signed into the ZenLedger platform, and we're now on the dashboard where we can go ahead and start adding all of our historical crypto transactions. And this includes being able to add it through CSV import, being able to create manual entries, or my favorite and was very seamless and a very powerful aspect of this platform is the API integration amongst all exchanges. So we'll go ahead and go into the dashboard, click import, and we'll search for our exchange. The example we'll use is KuCoin. We'll follow their instructions on the right-hand side here. They do differ slightly by exchange, but they're pretty much all the same idea. You plug in an API name, you plug in your API passphrase, and we will be resetting this after the video. You follow the instructions about any other options there may be, which we can see that make sure to set API restriction as general, and it's like no for IP restriction. And then we have our kind of API passphrase memorized because we won't be able to retrieve that again. And then we can go ahead and put in our trading password. And from here, we'll get our API key. So I'll copy our API key, paste that in here, copy our API secret, paste that in here, and then put in our passphrase, which if you remember was passphrase 1. From here, we'll click import and we'll see that it will start automatically importing. So we get this success message on the top right saying that the import has been added to the queue. It's now in progress. It's going to go through the years of historical transaction data in our example account here, and it's going to plug that all in. Now, this is very powerful because we can use this to consolidate multiple exchanges, multiple wallets, etc., and use this as more than just a tax filing software, but actually a software to track all of our crypto transactions. But of course, the tax filing is where ZenLedger really shines. While that's in progress, I'll show you another way of importing your crypto transactions, and that's through the CSV files. So I'll go ahead and input my transactions from an exchange called ShakePay, and ShakePay is a Canadian exchange that does not allow API integration. So we can use CSV templates for this. So you download the CSV template and then you go into that exchange, for example, ShakePay, and you can download your history here. And from there, you can restructure that CSV so that it looks like their expected CSV format. And then you plug the file in, and we see that we get the success message and the transactions are in progress. They are importing. So we now have two imports running, the KuCoin import, which is the API integration, and then the custom CSV, which is that CSV file that we just created and imported. We can see that the CSV file has been successfully imported. We can go ahead and click this arrow and see all of our successfully imported transactions here. We get some messages such as telling us that we have not run our tax calculation, so we'll show that shortly, and then some other messages as well. If there are any warnings or anything that they'd like to notify us of, then they can go ahead and do that. For example, if there was a sale that might have actually been a self-transfer that shouldn't be taxed, then it will notify you of that, and then you can go ahead and create an automatic entry by just clicking a button, and that will resolve that, ensuring that you have the most tax efficiency. So as are we waiting for our KuCoin transactions to progress, I will hold tight and we'll come back as soon as that's completed. Should be all good to go now. We see our import history. So we've imported our history from two different exchanges, one from ShakePay, one from the KuCoin integration, and then we've also had one custom CSV. We can also add manual entries or track wallets. These are other options of importing our history, but we'll go ahead and click calculate taxes here. This will calculate our gains or our losses and give us all the information that we need, as well as being able to download all our forms from here. ZenLedger isn't limited to just Bitcoin or Ethereum. It supports a vast array of digital assets, including lesser-known altcoins, tokens from DeFi platforms, and even NFT transactions. This comprehensive coverage is powered by ZenLedger's ability to integrate seamlessly with every type of digital asset exchange and wallet, using both API connections and data parsing algorithms to ensure complete and accurate tax reporting. Of course, accuracy and security is crucial when it comes to financial information and taxes, and accuracy is very critical when it comes to tax reporting, especially. And this is where ZenLedger excels in this area. With its precision, the platform reduces the risk of errors that can lead to audits or penalties, which we definitely don't want happening. ZenLedger employs robust security measures, including encryption, continuous security audits, and compliance with top industry standards to protect your sensitive information. One of the biggest advantages of using ZenLedger is how it simplifies the tax filing process. In just a few clicks, you can generate and download essential tax forms like IRS Schedule 1, Schedule D, and Form 8949, just to name a few. Additionally, ZenLedger offers direct integrations with popular tax filing software like TurboTax, allowing you to effortlessly transfer your crypto tax reports into your tax returns. I'll guide you through the process of generating these forms and discuss how you can file them with your CPA, your preferred tax software, or directly through ZenLedger. We're now on the ZenLedger dashboard again, and we can navigate to the tax center to see the magic of calculating all of our taxes based on all of our transactions. So our transactions are imported. We've selected our average cost basis method to be our cost method, and we'll now run our tax calculation by clicking this big green button. It will work all of the magic in the background, finalize all of our gains and losses, and give us all the information we need to help us with filing our taxes. We can even add a tax professional on this page by clicking this button. We can switch through the different years, and as you can see, that was extremely quick, and we now have all of our capital gains, our taxable income, tax forms, utilities, and more at the touch of our fingertips. Having robust support is crucial, and ZenLedger offers real people available 7 days a week through phone, chat, and email to help you navigate any issues. ZenLedger's excellence hasn't gone unnoticed in the media. Featured on publications, the platform is praised for its ability to tame messy tax reporting for cross-platform cryptocurrency trading. This recognition speaks volumes about its reliability and the trust it has earned within the community. ZenLedger not only simplifies your tax filing, but also ensures that you are fully supported throughout the process. If you're ready to take control of your crypto taxes, click the link in the description below to get started. Sign up today and experience firsthand the ease and efficiency ZenLedger brings to crypto tax management. Thanks for joining me in this detailed walkthrough of ZenLedger. Remember, managing your crypto taxes doesn't have to be complicated. With ZenLedger, you're just a few clicks away from stress-free tax filing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insightful videos on making the most of your cryptocurrency investments. Thank you all for watching. Always remember, this is not financial advice. We're just sharing media that we find on the web, and we'll see you on the next one.